I'm going to watch TV because I'm so bored. Let's see what's on Nickelodeon. And now, it's time for Dora the Explorer, where can you learn Spanish and going on adventures, only on Nickelodeon. Oh, no! Are you kidding me? Dora the Explorer! Every time Dora is on, my baby sister Kelly starts icing. It's so freaking annoying as fuck. I need to do something that won't let Kelly watching that show. But what should I do? Ding ding ding. Oh! I could go to the Weather Channel headquarters and make a fake emergency alert system. Then Kelly will start screaming and crying. This will be so awesome! Eee! Eee! Let's go to the Weather Channel headquarters. A few minutes later, when Abel gets tired of running. God damn it! I'm so tired as fuck. There's no way to get to the studios. Is this theirs anyway? Oh, that is it! I could take the bus. It's much easier. When Abel got to the Weather Channel studios.
Man, I'm so hungry. Where do you think we should go to eat?
How about Burger King?
Great idea. Let's go.
Okay, the coast is clear. It's my chance to scare everybody in the Quick Memo Drawing City. Eee!
Come on, Vominos! Everybody, let's go! I know we can do it! I know we can make it! Where are we going? Grandma's house! Where are we going? Grandma's house!
Attention everybody in the Quick Memo Drawing City. This is not a drill. This is a serious alert. There are two gunmen with a gun and two shooting the whole place. If you have if you have anybody like your child, husband, or wife, make sure they're staying in your home. Please stay at your home and hide somewhere that is possible to find you. They might break in your house and kill you. This is also in shelter. Oh shoot. A guy with a gun just broke in the Weather Channel studios. Oh no. He's about to kill me. Why? What happened, Kelly?
This scary thing just popped out and had a sound that just said beeps. And it said there's two gunmen coming to the Quick Memo Drawing City. I'm so scared.
What? An emergency alert system? I thought it doesn't exist anymore, and there's killings going on. I hear no screaming at all. I'm going to check the news. That was so funny as fuck. I better get out of here before I get caught.
Is this true? Killing in Quick Memo Drawing City.
Hey, why is the door open? I swear I locked the door before we leave. I think somebody broke in the EAS room. We had to tell the manager about this.
I think you're right.
Oh, hey, Ruby. Thank God you're home. Did they send you home early? Yes, they did. And also, where's Abel? What? Abel! Abel! Where had you been? Oh, I was at Gig's house, where we are having a play date. I just came here because of the outbreak. We're going to watch the news.
Breaking news! Today, in Quick Memo Drawing City, there was an emergency alert system at 2:44 p.m. And we have a manager from the Weather Channel headquarters wants to talk about the emergency alert system. Now say it!
Well, that was not a real emergency alert system. That was a false alarm. An hour ago, I just took one footage about a boy breaks in the EAS room and saying that there are two gunmen in the Quick Mobile Drawing City. I'll show you a picture. Yeah, this is the picture of what I'm talking about. If you're familiar with this person, please call 911, please. This is not funny.
More news coming up after these commercials.
Hey, that person looks familiar. Blue shirt, blue pants, and dark blue shoes. Lunel, do you know who could that be? He looks familiar, but I only know who wears that outfit, and the kid only means... Oh. I know who's that. I know who's that. It's Abel. Abel, did you do that? Did what? Making the fake emergency alert system. Um. No. But why? Abel, I'm not stupid, and because the camera footage looks exactly like you. Now, spit it out. Okay. Fine, I did that. But I'm so sorry. Oh. Abel, how freaking dare you broke into the emergency room and sneak out of the house to go to the Weather Channel studios. That is it. I'm going to take you to the headquarters and you are going to apologize to everyone what you did. So, get in the car now. When they get to the freaking Weather Channel studios! Abel, this is unacceptable. What's wrong with you? And also, why would you break into the emergency alert system's room and make a false alert? Tell me why. Why? Well, this TV show called Dora the Explorer was on, and my baby sister loves that show. So that's why I sneaked out my house and take the bus. So that's all you got to say, Abel. You make the entire town in panic. That's the scariest thing that could be aired in the emergency alert system. You're in big trouble. As for you, Mr. Vasquez Gomez, you need to pay $6,780 for all the damage your son did. I'm so disappointed. That's it. Go home now. Let's go home right now, Abel. When they got home. What the heck? Abel, how dare you cause all the trouble? You're very lucky you didn't get arrested. That is it! You are grounded till until the Abel's World Show XL gets 100 subscribers. Go to your room right now! Shut up, Abel!